Good morning, students. Welcome to Pole Science class. Today we are going to discuss long answer type questions of chapter 1st, the Cold War era. So let us start. Your first question: what do you mean by Cold War? Why superpowers do military alliance with small nations? Every question is interlinked with next question. Like second question, why did smaller countries decide to link themselves with any of the superpowers? And third, what were the reasons of emergence of Cold War? Explain any two reasons. So let us start. Come on the first question: what do you mean by Cold War? Cold War is a situation in which rivalries, confrontations, and struggle continue to stay between nations, but that do not lead to any kind of war. Soviet Union and America emerged as two superpowers after the end of Second World War. Both the nations were competitive enough in possession of nuclear weapons and power. Both the nations were poised with confrontations and competitions, but none of them initiated any direct war. The situation of confrontation means face to face, and struggle came to be known as Cold War. So, very simple meaning. Actually, Cold War was the result of the conflict of two different ideologies, like capitalism and communism were the two ideologies in conflict during the Cold War. And United States followed the policy of capitalism, and Soviet Union followed communism and wanted to increase their influence throughout the world, and thereby came in conflict. In other words, existence of tension, possibility of war, but no war being witnessed, and small incidents of struggle between military alliances of two superpowers is known as Cold War. Now come to second point: why superpowers do military alliance with small nations? The superpowers had military alliance with small states due to the following reasons. So first reason was superpowers had military alliance with smaller countries so that उन्होंने गठबंधन किया, उनको अपने साइड किया, so that ताकि superpowers could launch means operate their weapons and troops from these countries. And second, superpowers used to spy means detect जासूसी करना, spy the enemy countries from smaller countries, ताकि superpowers उन small countries की हेल्प से जासूसी कर सके एक दूसरे की. थर्ड पॉइंट, smaller countries used to pay for the soldiers that were a part of military alliance. Due to this, economic pressure on the superpowers decreased. Once again I repeat the third point. Smaller countries used to pay for the soldiers that were a part of military alliances. उनको पे करना पड़ता था. So due to this, इससे इकोनॉमिक प्रेशर ऑन द सुपर पावर्स डिक्रीज. इससे डे बाई डे सुपर पावर्स का जो इकोनॉमिक बर्डन था, प्रेशर था, वो डे बाई डे डिक्रीज हो रहा था. नाउ द सेकंड पॉइंट, once again the second point of the first question, why did smaller countries decide to link themselves with any of the superpowers. जो स्मॉलर कंट्रीज़ थी वो भी इंटरेस्टेड थी, उन्होंने डिसाइड क्यों किया अपने आप को लिंक करने के लिए, अटैच करने के लिए किसी एक गुट के साथ. टू सुपर पावर्स वर कीन टू एक्सपेंडिंग देयर स्फीयर्स ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सुपर पावर्स बड़ी इंटरेस्टेड थी, बोथ सुपर पावर्स, टू एक्सपेंड देयर इन्फ्लुएंस in the different parts of the world. The world was sharply divided between the two alliances system. A state was supposed to remain tied to its protective superpower to limit the influence of the other superpower and its allies. Allies means other countries, companion. The smaller states in the alliance used the link to the superpowers for their own purposes. वो अपने खुद के पर्पजेज़ के लिए इसका यूज़ कर रहे थे. They got the promise of protection. उन्हें प्रोमिस, उनके साथ प्रोमिस किया गया था प्रोटेक्शन का. Weapons and economic aid means help against their local rival. For these reasons, इन्हीं कारणों से smaller states decided to join hands with these superpowers. These were the main reasons. That's why smaller countries decided to link themselves with any of the superpower. Now come to third question. What were the reasons of emergence of Cold War? रीजन्स क्या क्या थे इसके कोल्ड वॉर के उत्पन्न होने के, शीत युद्ध की उत्पत्ति के. एक्सप्लेन एनी टू, कोई दो को बताओ. योर थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वर द रीजन्स ऑफ एमरजेंस ऑफ कोल्ड वॉर. फर्स्ट वन, डिफरेंस इन ओपिनियन. There were many reasons, not only two, there were many reasons. So first reason was difference in opinions. Britain and France were no longer superpowers after Second World War. Two new blocs, Soviet Union and America, originated that led capitalism and communism ideology. Russia wanted to spread communism and socialism, whereas America wanted to stop that. After Second World War, Eastern Europe came under the influence of communism. जो ईस्टर्न यूरोप था ये कम्युनिज़म के प्रभाव में आ गया, अंडर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ सोवियत यूनियन. कम्युनिज़म वॉज स्प्रेड नॉट ओनली इन जर्मनी, हंगरी, रोमानिया, यूगोस्लाविया एक्सेट्रा, but also in northern Korea, in East and up to China. This put America under fire and this led to difference in opinions between both the states to a large extent, and this gave rise in the bitterness in relationship between both the countries to such an extent that both had suspected views points for each other. Distrust in their relationship led to the beginning of Cold War. It was the first reason, means difference in opinion. And second reason was Truman policy. American President Truman made a program to help states of Western Europe to stop the influence of USSR. Truman felt that communism spreads only when the people are poor and victim, and it can be stopped by providing financial help to the weaker section to make them prosper. In the year 1947, American States Secretary Marshall prepared a plan to provide $1 million financial assistance, means financial help, to Europe so that the losses done by war can be compensated. Had this not been done by America, then all of these would have become a part of Soviet Union. The Western European countries were now capable to protect themselves from this. So at that particular time, in interference of Soviet helped these American countries who opposed communism and determined to keep them integrated with USSR. Third reason, Motlov plan. Russian minister Motlov made another plan for the economic revival of East Europe. Since Marshall Plan didn't help these countries by giving aid or help, this led to the intensification of Cold War rivalries, means increase between the two blocs, the communist led by the USSR and the capitalist led by the USA. And fourth reason, formation of military blocs. After the Second World War, the United Nations Organization, means UNO, United Nations Organization, means UNO, had been formed to prevent world peace. It was expected that now there would be no tension and military alliance would not be formed any further. This, however, didn't happen. हालांकि ऐसा हुआ नहीं. Tension between the two superpowers led to the formation of military alliances by the two blocs. Tension was increasing day by day between the two blocs. To preserve democracy and capitalism, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, means NATO, was formed in 1949 under the leadership of USA. Its aim was to stop communism. In 1954, USA made an alliance in Southeast Asia called Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, SEATO, and in 1955 Central Treaty Organization, CENTO, was formed. American alliances were directed to contain the growth and spread of communism in every possible manner. As a strong response, the Soviet Union came up with the Warsaw Pact of its allies. Both these opposing military groupings gave a boost to the Cold War. So dear students, we have discussed different reasons for the emergence of Cold War. So you are requested to listen it twice and thrice to understand it very well. So till then, thanks and have a nice day.